In many applications, session management mechanisms, or how applications track users, really depends upon the developer implementation. It's because of this that session management can be prone to mistakes or oversights, which may allow for the abuse of user session information by an attacker. Now, the two main mechanisms to test in the area of session management include cookie manipulation and token abuse. Token abuse, of course, could include session fixation or replay attacks, which is the reusing of previously known sessions. Now, there are several nuances and flavors of session management attacks, but we're only going to be focused on these two with respect to attacking the juice shop. So let's go ahead and take a look at the juice shop in regards to session management attacks. Now let's see how Burp can help us to test for session management vulnerabilities. We're going to use the following challenges to help us access someone else's basket and post some feedback in another person's name. So in order to perform these challenges, we first need to log into the application. Let's go ahead and log in as Bob. Now as Bob, what we want to do is go ahead and put some items into our cart. Great. Now before we go to view what is in our cart, let's go ahead and turn on the Burp Proxy Intercept button. Return to our application and go ahead and view the basket. Go ahead and forward until you get to the GET request that has the basket in there. After that, folder name is a number. And as you can see, the number is not very random and it's not very big. So if we were to manipulate this to be a different number, could we possibly access someone else's basket? Let's try it and find out. If I change this to a 1 and forward my request, and turn off the intercept and return to my browser, I have indeed accessed someone else's basket. So these are not the items that I put into Bob's basket. Okay, now let's try the next challenge, posting some feedback in another user's name. If we go back to the juice shop, go ahead and go to the Contact Us form. Now here you can see that I'm logged in as Bob. I'm going to put a comment here, and I have to give it a rating. Now before I click submit, let's go ahead and go back to Burp and turn on our intercept button. Now here you can see in the JSON structure there's a user ID, and once again we have a number that is not very random, and so we could very easily manipulate this number to be something else. So let's go ahead and change it to a 1 and then forward our request and turn the intercept off. It looks like we were able to post our feedback in another user's name.